Most people don't know about these hidden gems in the world of budget PC cases. First up, we've got the Thermaltake Versa H18, a sleek case for only $50. It's got plenty of airflow, a mesh front, and comes with a pre-installed fan. And of course, it's got a tempered glass side panel. Another beautiful $50 case is the AeroCool Bolt. It comes with a tempered glass side panel, a pre-installed black fan, and RGB to show off your build. And let's not forget the Deepcool Matrix 40, a sleek blacked out case with plenty of airflow and a tempered glass side panel. It even comes with a pre-installed fan. Have you ever built in any of these cases?